And welcome back to my farming journey. Today it's gonna be a rough day. They're predicting a big thunderstorm coming our way, really big. Hopefully it goes past us, but we need to get ready for the worst. Hopefully the worst does not come. So they're saying there could be hail in some places, big hail. So we need to get everything ready for the wind and rain and everything. So we're just ready. This is really not what I want to be doing, but what can you do? Right now we finished making chicken feed of our own for the first time. Usually we bought the chicken feed and then we, together with that, we fed our own grain, just whole grain. But now I bought some corn, a little bit of soybeans and a little bit of alfa pellets and a little bit of special vitamins for chickens, and all mixed together for chickens and with the grain. Squash it up, everything mixed together and let it out. So right now enjoy those videos and then we're gonna start preparing for the storm. We just unloaded the mill for the cows. Now we're gonna make feed for chickens because it's really expensive to buy. So I didn't film it, but just now I bought some corn and a little bit of soybeans and alfa pellets. We already sucked that inside. Now we're gonna take some grain in, make the grain flat, mix it all together and let it all out. Hopefully I will not have to buy expensive chicken feed. Now we're gonna back it up, try to fit that door. Shit, that's how much? Well, oh, it'll have to do. Figure something out. Here we have some chicken mix. Where's the bag? Let's open up the bag. It's some vitamins special for chickens. Not much. Just one bag, 50 kilos. We'll mix it all in with everything else. Now we're gonna suck the grain. Here we have some barley and wheat mixture. The chickens don't eat barley that much, so like this, so we're gonna chop it up. It's a little bit messy here, don't look at that. Both are empty. Now we're gonna fill them back up. Finished product coming out. And this is our chicken feed. 3.3 tons. Self-made. Now I just need to do the calculation. How much did it cost to me? Probably there's not as good as rationed as the chicken feed you can buy in local shops, but it will be good enough for our chickens, especially in this year when we need to save money as much as we can, and some grain too. Now I'm going to check if the chickens like it or not. Here I got some escapees. With all this rain we have had these past few days, it's a bit muddy in here because somebody has to fix the roof. But we let them out in the evening, late afternoon. Oh, I think they like it. Chickens definitely love it. Let's go inside in the chicken barn. Well, they can get out here, but some just... They can get out in this chicken run. Some just wants to stay inside. We built this so the birds that make nests in there can get in and out. These birds that make these nests. Ooh, chickens definitely love it. I think I made the right choice to make this kind of chicken feed. I don't know how I didn't thought about it earlier. It's a bit dark in here, but yeah. I did the calculations for the chicken feed. This feed, which we made. And it cost me about 33 cents per kilogram. There was all the expenses, how much the grain cost, if I would sell it, and all the things I put in with it, the corn and the soybeans and the vitamins, and of course the mill guy, the one who milled, or how it said, yeah, the guy who processed it into this stuff. Yeah, it cost me around 33 cents a kilogram. In shop you can buy chicken feed about starting from 80 cents to about over €1, so this is a pretty good deal. Well, of course I don't know what will delay in production be from this, so I will see that, and maybe I'll tell you on future videos. Did the chickens get more eggs out of this, or they still need the feed from the feed store? So yeah, that's it for the chicken feed. I think I made the right call making this feed. Hope it will be more beneficial for us, and we can do it years to come. So you don't have to buy chicken feed at the feed store. Maybe you need to get some recipe for better rationing all the supplements. Well, that was the word, supplement. But we'll see how this one goes. So see you later. Bye. And first thing I'm gonna do for prepping for the storm, I'm gonna cover all the silage bales. The wind has blown the net off of them to protect them in case the hail comes, which hopefully does not come. But better be safe than sorry, because feed's really expensive and quite exclusive thing this year. So let's bring the net on the bales. How does it? These bales are a little bit soft, wet, so they're just squishy, but the last bales are pretty good. Be really careful because the bales are slippery. Oh, that was steady. I really don't like these storms. This year's just been, I don't know, extra bad. The winter was shitty for the winter crops. Then there was frost in late spring. Then the drought. Then too much rain and storms. Everything just bad. Well, at least it covers most of it. So let's hope that hail doesn't come. Okay, that's done. Now let's start this tire and bring some machinery out to the trees in the fields, middle of the fields, so in case there are any branches falling, so it doesn't hurt the machinery. Start with the hay tether, bring that out, then the bale wrapper, the rake, the grain trailer, probably the seeder. I think the plow can stay, maybe the manure spreader, which we need to fix. Take that out too.
I am a warrior, I fight till the end.
Put them all in somewhere in the pasture. Night pasture. Probably should have taken the trailer at first. Oh. Okay, I need to. I thought I can go without attaching the PTO, but it's touching the rear wheel of the tractor. I can just hang it out here.
I just get going, I'm made of stuff. I am a fighter.
We're gonna put all the machinery in this second night pasture for the cows. The cows are on that side now. This is free. And put it all here, away from the trees. This is stressful. No matter of fact, we have 20 hectares of grain now in the field. Like 70 hectares of. What was that? I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Maybe I should open it up, just in case there's a big wind. Probably that's a good idea. Okay, the tether's out. Open it up, just in case there's wind, big wind. But hopefully there's not. There's my neighbor's bale trailer. Probably should take that out too.
On the prize, there ain't no stopping me now. I keep my eye on the prize. I fight till I die. No retreat and no surrender. Ain't no way I can fail. No, I'll prevail. Gonna fight till the end with my eye on the prize. In love and war, all is
Okay. I have the seeder attached. There's a little bit of grass seed left inside. Need to remove that in case any water gets in. So there's there's a little bit of water already here gotten in. Let's fix that. Need a bag.
No pain, no gain, no place for losers. Go get a baby, now I'm going for you. Yeah, you're the prize that caught my eye. I'm a soldier of love with a heart of fire and blood. I want it all, that's all I'm saying.
Taking the mower out. Come left the rake. Grandfather took the wrapper out of the trees. Rake, the manure spreader, plow, fertilizer spreader, and my neighbor's bale trailer. We put some in the pasture there, some on the harvested wheat field. Grandfather said nothing far enough from the tree line. Let's trust him with that. The plow is attached. Probably would be safe to plow, not much to break, but there's this tree which is bending right where the plow is standing, so and it's quite bad shape. We probably need to take it down by ourselves, but just in case we're taking it out, because there's still some part that can be bended or broken off, so it's a brand new plow. Don't wanna break anything out of stupidity. Grandfather taking out some stuff with the balers. Just need to free some space in the barn for the tractors to go in. Most of the machinery are out. Oh, important one at least. Now I'm gonna put the fertilizer spreader in the hay barn. We have a little bit of room here. More or less, we are prepared. Well, it shows that there won't be so strong, it goes past us, but better be safe than sorry. I say it again. So, put this tire in the hay barn, all the machinery lined up in the fields. Still need to bring the Belarus tractor in the barn. That's gonna do a bit later. Hot and stressful. So, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe, don't forget. Bye. Storm went around us. Luckily, there only rain came. There was thunder and lightning all around us, but didn't hit us hard at any time, so we were lucky. There were places people were not that lucky. There was flooding and trees and forests down and just bad, but luckily for us it went by us, so yeah, but better be safe than sorry. Okay, see you later, bye.